Today we're going to be looking at rocket fire explosion, malfunctions, and fails. This first fail was filmed at the Arlington, Texas Showbiz Pizza place. It's just a normal day here. They're singing songs and talking to each other, but all of a sudden they stop and freeze in place. The weird thing is, when they stop, you could see Duke's head move a few times, and then they could stop again. And another weird thing is that when they stop, you could still hear the audio from the show playing. Take a look.
Then just play us a nice piece of classical music that
The kids in front of the stage look so confused. I probably would be too if I was them. This second fail was filmed at the Naperville Odyssey Fun World. You know how Billy Bob's Wonderland is terrible? Well, this is just as bad. So, as usual, Billy Bob's singing a song, and then he stops. The curtains try to go down. They fail like 10 times. And when they finally go down, the cyberstar next to them is spazzing out, while the audio is still playing. Take a look at this fail. It's really weird. This one is very similar to the last one. The only difference is that the curtains go down, but they don't go down on the other one. This next one was filmed at the Kentucky State Fair at Paradise. There's a lot wrong here. Billy Bob's mask is melted, Birthday Bird's hair and head is hanging on by a thread, and Fats has his eyelid broken, and his mouth doesn't work. And Mitzi, when she puts her head up, you could see her mech. It's called a mech, not an endoskeleton. And also, her hand is hanging on by a thread. There's just a lot going on here. Take a look. This next one was filmed at the Barboursville, West Virginia at Billy Bob's Wonderland. There's really too much going on, it's kind of hard to explain. I'll explain some of it. You could literally hear air leaks from every character. First off, Beach Bear's dead, so is Fats, Duke's eye, ears, mouth, and only arm work. Rolf and Earl, Rolf's mask is melted. There's just a lot going on. Just look at the video. Going back to the Kentucky State Fair at Paradise. Now you may be thinking, why did I put this after Billy Bob's Wonderland? Billy Bob's Wonderland is terrible. This should have been last. Well, listen up. I'd rather them not move than them just hobble around randomly. Just put it out of its misery. Let's take a look at what's wrong. Billy Bob's string is unattached from his guitar, his hand is unattached from his guitar, and Mitzi has bootleg hands. Fats' mask is melted. You could see when he opens and closes his mouth, it squishes up. I think Mitzi's having a bad hair day. I have no idea what's happening. Just watch the footage.
Billy Bob, that's 3 B's, 2 L's, and O Y and a Y. Take it away there, dude.
Blame it all on my roots. I showed up in boots and ruined your black tie affair. The last one to know, the last one to show. I was the last one you thought you'd see there. And I saw a surprise and the fear in his eyes when I took his glass of champagne. Maybe you never.
Excuse me. me, what? Replay that.
Maybe
This is too much for my brain. I'm done. Roll the outro.